Hello and welcome. This is a new episode from Aero Arduino, and in this episode we are showing to you how to make this T-Rex dinosaur game on Arduino and 16 by 2 LCD. We all know this famous game from Google Chrome of the dinosaur when you have no internet connection. So we have decided to see it on Arduino, and we finally found it. If you didn't yet subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to get our latest videos. Let's start with the circuit connection. Simply Arduino Uno connected to 16 by 2 LCD using 4 pins of data. Enable and register select pins connected to Arduino. Read-write pin and contrast connected to ground. Power pins of the LCD connected to 5 volts and ground of Arduino. Backlight LED connected to VCC, and negative backlight LED connected to ground through 1 kilo ohm resistor. The game control is done using 2 push buttons, enter and select, to pins 8 and 9, and connected to ground with internal pull up function. Let's see the code. Here we start by including the LCD library, and that's the LCD definition. Here is the bitmap array for the dinosaur character, and here is the character for the tree. Here is the definition for buttons, enter and select, definition for other constants, the string for alphabet to write your name, definition for variables. We start by initializing the LCD and we create special characters, the dinosaur character and the tree character. This is the main loop function. We start by clearing the LCD, and here is the handle menu function that contains all the game. The handle menu reads from the 2 push buttons the menu, start and score. Here we print the menu and we read the buttons using digital read function. Here is the score function. This print score prints the score on the LCD. This is the start game function. That's the game over function. Here in this function you type your name. This is the show tree function and define the dinosaur position. Here we define the pin mode as internal pull up using the internal pull up resistor. That's all about the code. Let's start the game simulation. Here is the select button and here is the enter button. We can use it to move the dinosaur over the obstacles. Here is game over. Now we type the name. We can change alphabets using this button. Then we choose other alphabets. Then we save the name with 3 characters. Here we can see the score. Let's start again. Game over. Let's see the score. Here's the new score. It's saved on Arduino and it scrolls like this. That's all about this game today. I'll leave the links to the Tinkercad model on our website of the circuit connection and the code in the video description. So if you like this video, please click like, share and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.